Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today is day 20 of my 21-day raw vegan challenge, and on Friday I made a salad sandwich, and I want to show you now the video recipe of how I make that sandwich, that bread. And then I'm gonna make up one for you because that's what we'll be having for dinner today. This morning we had juices, we had smoothies, and now we're gonna have a salad sandwich for breakfast. So this is how you make this flatbread. So here now we're going to start. Always Simple Life, start with your 1 cup of water. Always start with your liquid in the blender because you want to make sure that you know it has something to blend. You don't want it to go down there and cannot move. So okay, here we have some sweet potatoes. So what I did, I shred the sweet potato with this here grater, just to make, if I dice it up it could have blended, but this way it will go faster. So really it's, the recipe is this, but why make a little when you can make a lot? So because it's not like I'm not going to need more, so let's go in and do some more. So I pack it in, just make sure you put enough. Let's do some more water and just go ahead and put all of the sweet potato. So this is raw sweet potato, Simple Life. So you can eat sweet potato raw, but I am doing it the nice way. Instead of just shred it and eat it like that, I'm going to cook it in the dehydrator. So now on top of that I have some dates. I have some dates there to make it nice and delicious. Another thing that I have here is some psyllium husk. So the psyllium husk is going to help to bind it together. Okay, and then some flaxseed, of course. If you don't have the psyllium husk, you can just use flaxseed powder all the way. This is some cayenne pepper because it makes it really interesting with the cayenne pepper. And this is some smoked paprika, but I remember that I'm doing the raw, and the cayenne pepper is dehydrated, but the smoked paprika is cooked on a very high heat to get the smoky flavor. So we're gonna omit that for now, and we don't need to add salt to this. I'm going to blend and then see if I need more water. Is it plugged in? Yeah. Simple Life, you're just going to get, I have this dehydrating sheet that has the lip. So what the lip does, it holds more things that are liquidy without it falling apart. So I'm gonna put this here and pour this inside. See how thick it is? The more thick it is, the more firmer and together. I will pour this out after, and together it will come out. Okay, so just try now to fill all the sides with the batter. This tastes very, very good, Simple Life, with the cayenne pepper. It would have been much nicer with the smoked paprika, but I want to finish off this thing without the cook thingy. So this is it. Just wipe off the edge of the spatula on the lip. And if you want to make sure that it evens out, you just drop it there like that to make sure that it settles. I want to show you something. Now, if you have a nice topping, you can just go ahead and just throw the topping on it like that. So this is some dehydrated. You know, I did a video where I use a lot of pimento pepper. So when it's dried now, it will come out like this. This one is a little different from the one that I'm going to make the video in. But I just wanted to show you. So here it is, Simple Life. I'm going to put this in the dehydrator now I'm not going to flip this. This is gonna stay like this and dry and take the shape of the silicone, and we will enjoy this another day. So let's now go ahead and make up a salad for one that we have. So here we have two separate ones. There's one in here that is dried, and then this is another one. So we're going to do this one here, Simple Life. So what we're going to do now, this is the cashew dressing that I made, and I put a sweet pepper in it. So this is the cashew dressing with sweet pepper. It totally vamp up the taste, and you would think that it is Thousand Island salad dressing. That's how awesome it tastes. When you do something that is plant-based and it tastes good, really you have to give God the glory, because you're trying to eat healthy, and so you want to do your best with that. Okay, and we're gonna go in with some lettuce, and we're going to put some carrots, and some onions, purple onions. You don't have to make it too much stuff. Less is more. And then I just try to come in a little with the sides to kind of tuck it in, and then go over like this. This is such a nice. And then you wanna keep tucking. Keep tucking. And just fold it and cut down. And here now, Simple Life, this is another salad dressing recipe that we have, and there you go. And this is what we're going to have today with a salad on the side, and that is it for day 20. Simple Life. This is so good because you see, you can just use your vegetables, just use your fruits and make your bread, and it's raw. So I put this in the dehydrator, Simple Life, for the most I put it at is 118. Up to 118 it stay alive. When you go over, then it starts cooking it, and you just take that out and put your still live salad in it, and you're still good to go. And that is it. And so when you're ready to eat now, you just go like this. And even though you have some on the bread, you can still go. Simple Life, it's very good. I promise I am not lying. Sweetie, when I said it's very good, am I lying?
No.
So thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Until next time. Until tomorrow for day 21.
Amen.